Mr. Ndlovu, I have very few questions for you, just for me to understand the relevance of your evidence.
I mean, ngike imibuzo enginayo kuwena-ke ukuthi nje mina-ke ngizwe noma ngikulandeleke ukuthi-ke ubufakazi bakho-ke buyini noma buthini.
I understand you have confirmed that you are not the one who prepared the photos contained in Exhibit DD4B.
Ngiyakuzwa-ke ukuthi-ke ushilo ukuthi akusuwena-ke owahlanganisa iy'thombe lezi ezikuyena Exhibit for DD4B. That's correct.
But you were led by the state through the content of this exhibit. Am I correct?
Kodwa-ke umbuso-ke ukholileke noma amagama-ke ukhulumile nawo-ke ukhombisa kuwona-ke Exhibit DD4B lona. That is correct.
And we have confirmed the content of this exhibit in line with the information that you had in your USB, which you led this court through the screen that is before this court.
Wase uqinisekisa-ke lokhu okulana ngokuhambisana-ke ne-USB lena wena-ke i-USB yakho le ukukhombisa-ke inkantolo la. That is what I did.
Because you have led evidence regarding that, therefore I am going to ask you the questions regarding your testimony about this exhibit and what we have testified on the USB.
Ngoba-ke wethule ubufakazi-ke mayelana nalokho ngizokubuza-ke imibuzo mayelana nalokho kanye futhi-ke nobufakazi bakho mayelana nayo i-USB. Fine.
Okay, thank you. My first question is, are you a facial identification expert?
Ungabe uyena yini ungoti-ke ekuchazeni ubuso noma-ke uchaza-ke ukuthi ukuthi i-identification yobuso, i-facial identification expert? No.
And also we are not experienced in that department.
Futhi-ke isipiliyoni awunaso lapho. That's correct.
Okay. Then my second question is, you gave the dates on which the pictures contained in Exhibit DD4B were taken. You remember?
Uyakhumbula yini ngoba unikeze ngama-dates-ke ukuthi iy'thombe lezi ezikuyena u-DD4B zathwetshulwa nini?
Yebo.
Yes.
You'll correct me if I am generalizing wrong, but from these few pictures, you testified that they were taken in 2020. Am I correct?
Uzosho-ke uma kuwukuthi-ke lokho engikushoyo ngikusho-ke wrong noma-ke kuyiphutha-ke kodwa uma wethula ubufakazi ushilo ukuthi iy'thombe lezi-ke ezango-2020. That's correct.
And none of the pictures that you referred this court to contained in these exhibits were taken on the 26th of October 2014.
Asikho nesodwa-ke isithombe kule ithombe-ke othule ubufakazi ngazo kulona-ke izibiti leli ezathwetshulwa ngeyi-26 October 2014. That's true.
And you further testified on the deleted pictures.
Ubethulile-ke ubufakazi nangey'thombe ezadilithwa. That's correct.
And in your testimony you said when you are using your X-ray thing, when you are retrieving the information, you are able to detect even the pictures that were deleted. Is that correct?
Ushilo-ke nokuthi uma ngabe ususebenzisa yona-ke noma sothi i-XRY noma-ke i-X-ray ukuthi uma ususebenzisa yona-ke uyakwazi-ke nokuthi-ke uthole-ke iy'thombe lezi ebese yicishiwe. That's correct.
No. So factually, scientifically, that can be true. Something which is deleted, and I'm using it as an adjectival noun as used by the advocate. She says you are able to retrieve the pictures that were deleted. You understand the statement?
Uthi ke u-advocate mekhuluma ke ukuthi ke uyakwazi ukuthi uyibuyisele uyithole futhi ke ithombe ezideletiwe.
Ngiyasizwa istatement sakhe njengoba izolo ngichazile masikhuluma ngeyithombe njengalesithombe lesi engithi ngasideletiwe la. It's just a thumbprint ukuthi isithombe it was there. It's already deleted. There's no information on that photo.
That's it.
Yiloko ngikushilo ke nayizolo ke ukuthi ke iyatshengisa nje ukuthi isithombe sasikhona ke lapho.
Yeah, but textually, it shows a copy at the least of what was deleted. Not the original. Yeah, me, I want to be precise in my thinking.
Ngifuna ke ukuthi ngisho lokho ke okushiwo ukuthi ke kuyicopy ke akusona ke isithombe lesi ebekuyisona ke kodwa icopy yaloko ebekade.
Because if this case goes somewhere else, someone else will say.
I am not fighting with you. Please don't be emotional. I'm not fighting with you. I'm just clarifying the evidence of what we have said. That's why I said correct me if I am wrong.
Ngisanike nawe so cela ke ingakho ke ngishilo kwena ukuthi uma kuwukuthi ke ngenza iphutha ke ube uyise uyalungisa ke manje angilisani noma angixabani nawe ukuthi nje ngifuna nje ukuthi ke kube ngicacele. I am also responding to a question that I'm being asked.
Okay. So let's reduce emotions. I understood you to say even the deleted pictures through your machine you are able to retrieve. You have now clarified the manner in which you are able to retrieve that you can only be able to retrieve a copy of that picture.
Bekuyindlela ke mina bengikuzwe ngayo ke ukuthi ke uma ke isithombe sesicishiwe ke noma sideletiwe ke nakho ke ukuthi usibuyisele kodwa manje usuyachaza ke ukuthi uma ngabe usibuyisela ke noma usithola futhi kuyisube kuyicopy lokho. I heard you.
Okay. So in other words, what you shown before this court, it was not the real picture, it was a copy because the original had been deleted.
Okusho ukuthi ke lokhu okutshengiswe khona lapha noma evezwe khona lapha ke bengasona ke isithombe original noma ke uqobo lwaso ke kodwa ke icopy.
Ngizophinda ngichaze.
I'll say it again.
Lento uma ngabe isithombe esidilito is just a print ekhomba ukuthi isithombe besila and then sideletiwe. Yingakho singana the information engenzansi ukuthi asithethweni and the stuff.
What you see there, it is just a copy, which is an indicator that the photo was there. Hence, we do not have the information underneath that guides us and tell us as to when was it taken, and stuff.
Okay. Thank you. So it means even your XY ray format that you use to retrieve the deleted information could not retrieve, you could not get the information as to when was the original picture taken.
No, I'm sorry, just something I just got a note, my lord, so I just missed the question. There's an interpreter that is not.
The interpreter was disturbed. Okay.
Batho bazophinda babuze umbuzo futhi ke mnumzana uNdlovu ngoba kade ukudlule kokhona la ngekho.
My question was that the deleted pictures, even when you are using the X-ray format that you were using to retrieve those pictures or copies, you also could not deter the date on which those deleted pictures were taken.
Bathi mana nodaba lweyithombe lezi abayicishile sebedelete ngegama lesingisike uma ngabe uyibheka bokungekho ukhona ukubona ilanga le abayithobula ngazo.
Yeah, unjalo.
Yes, that is correct.
And you also could not deter the date in which those pictures were deleted.
And futhi bongaboni ilanga la bacishe ngazo izithombe lezo noma ilanga lela badelete ngazo ithombe. Yes, that is correct.
Okay. And then the next question that I'm going to ask is about the observations that you gave regarding the content of the face that is depicted in these pictures.
wathi umbuzo olandelayo abazokubuza wona umayelana nodaba lwesikhangiso sobuso ke lobu kade bukhuluma ngako noma kade ukhuluma ngako ke uqhamuka kule ithombe lesi.
Okay.
I'm listening.
I know firstly that you are not an expert, but as an adult person, I'm going to ask you this question.
Athi ke unalo ulwazi lokuthi wena ke awuyona ke ingcaphephe noma uchwepheshe ke lapho ke kepha ke uzokubuza lo mbuzo olandelayo njengomuntu omdala ke.
The pictures depicted in this exhibit DD4 depicting a picture of a person with an oval beard that we have described before this court.
Bathi ke ithombe ezikhona ke lana ke kulombukiso ka exhibit DD4 kunesikhanyiso somliso thizeni futhi umliso thizeni okhona ojakala kule ithombe lezi ke intshebe yakhe usho ukhathe njengo O shape.
Yes.
Yes, I'm listening.
So even that explanation that you gave to court of the description of the oval beard and the description of the hood and the hair that were appearing in some of the pictures. You understand?
Wathi buza kumuzo bana nodaba lwehood futhi nangendlela umuntu okhona egunde ngayo ke intshebe yakhe sibathi O shape ke loyo ke futhi nangendlela lakade egqoke ngayo isigqoko kule hood yakhe yakuzwisisa lokho?
Ngiyakuzwisisa.
Yes, I'm listening.
You cannot be able to tell this court that this is the picture that resembles the person during the period of October 2014.
Bathi angeke utshele kusenkantolo ukuthi ke lesithombe salomuntu okhona ngalana ke isithombe sifanca machine umuntu kade akhona ke ngelanga lange 26 zaka October ngomnyaka 2014.
Iqiniso eliphelele.
That is the honest truth.
Okay. Thank you. And also the fact that I'm going to accept the date that we have testified about here in this court to say these pictures were taken in 2020.
Athi uzolamkela ke ilanga lebokhulume ngalo ke ngesikhathi ukuthi ithombe lezi ke bayithwebula ngomnyaka ka 2020.
So also as a human being you cannot then say because these pictures this person looks like this during the period of 2020 when these pictures were taken, it means resembles the same features of the pictures of the same person during the period of October 2014.
Now the witness is invited to argue. It's an unfair question to the witness. Let's go, please.
My Lord, I did not hear the basis for the objection.
Just repeat your objections.
Counsel is inviting the witness to argue the case for the state. That will be for the state to argue.
All right.
Not for this witness to comment.
As the court pleases, my Lord. My Lord, if I may respond, it's because the witness was taken through the pictures, if I may be specific, my Lord, and not be general. Through exhibit DD4A, with the comparison of a picture, my Lord, which was of an identification kit, which was taken in 2014, and the witness was led regarding these two pictures, my Lord.
What does it say about the one picture which was in the identification parade? This witness, what does it say about it?
My Lord, the witness was asked to give description of these pictures to say...
Not the clothing or the apparel.
Yes, to give the identification of these two, and the witness even
said... Is it the clothing or the facial? Because you're arguing that he's not a facial expert.
He gave both, my Lord.
Facial?
Yes, my Lord.
And then the apparel also, he's not an expert on identifying apparel.
Apparel, yes.
Yeah, put it to him.
No.
When you say wearing a toga or a robe which is grey and red,
yes,
it's putting it to you that you're not able to identify that.
No, my Lord, but that's not my question for now. For now.
I thought you said even the apparel, you can't be able to identify it.
No,
I
my
see.
lord.
Okay,
my
fine.
My lord, I was responding to the objection, my lord, to say the reason why I am entering into this field of evidence is because the witness had been asked to comment on these pictures, my lord.
Yeah, fine. Go ahead.
Thank you, my lord.
kade kuza kumeli mana nodaba ke lesithombe ke ngamashila lapho sikhona ke lapho kumbukiso ka DD4A lapho kade khona ke isithombe sathubulwa ke lapho ke esikhona ngaphakathi kwale kit kade bethi khona njalo umuntu lo kade ejakala ngendlela lena ke ngonyaka 2014 futhi bekabuza kofakazi mana nesithombe leso ngesikhathi kade khona phakathi kwesithombe sango 2014 futhi nesithombe sathubulwa ngonyaka 2020 ke lapho ke la bathi khona ufakazi kade bebuza imibuzo manqamashima nodaba lolo kwelesithombe leso. Are you listening?
Thank you. And I even said, I am asking you this question not as an expert, not because you're an expert. I am asking for the general information as a police officer. You understand?
Athi ke ukubuza lo mbuzo ngoba ke wena ke yazi ukuthi wena ke awuyena ke uchwepheshe kepha ukubuza ngoba ke wena ke uyiphoyisa futhi umsebenzi wezesiphoyisa.
If you have no answer or you have no response, you can just say so.
Athi uma ngabe ungenayo into ongayikhuluma noma mhlawumbe impendulo mayelana nombuzo lo ke kumele usho nje njalo ukuthi cha anginayo ke impendulo mayelana nodaba lombuzo awubuzile. I am listening.
So my question is because you were asked by the state. You remember this exhibit?
Bathi kade ubuzeke umbuzo ithimba labashushisi noma umshushisi mayelana nalofakazi okhona ke lapho lombukiso ka DD. Ngiyabona sesithombe lisathe kutshengisa sona ummeli baba.
Yeah, ngiyakhumbula.
Yes, I do remember.
Then my question is, can you say, because this person,
So, Madam, I beg you to approach Mr. Ganza. Thank you, Madam.
Yes.
thank you. My last question, my lord, on this exhibit.
Okay.
Can you now say, because this person resembled these pictures, then it means it's the same person as this picture, same picture on the same exhibit. It was reddish when you testified about it. You remember? And we know this one was taken in 2020. This one we don't know, but it was identified as the person who resembles these facial features during the period of October 2014.
Bathi kule thobo lezi zimbili ke khona ke udaba angathanda ukuthi akubuze ngalo ke ukhumule khona njalo ukuthi wena ke ngesikhathi bokukhuluma njalo kula uthize khona ke umbala obomvu khithekile mhlawumbe ubomvu kade khona kule sithombe lesi. Wathi sithombe sokuqala lesi singalana esandleni sokunxele. Uma ngabe usibhekile kwasithubula ngomnyaka 2020. Kepha ke sithombe sesibili ke sona ke sithombe kade besho khona njalo ukuthi abazi ukuthi basithubula ngasiphi isikhathi noma sathathwa nini ke lapho ke kepha bathi lo muntu ujakana njengalo muntu kade angenile akho lapho ngelikhaya ngiyana manje umbuzo ukuthi ingabe uyakuvuma ukuthi lesithombe lesi esikhona ngalana ke lesi eselana la gqoke khona ke ngobe bovu umuntu wakhona ke futhi lesithombe singale lesithombe singale ngabe siyafana namashina lesi ngoba lo muntu okhona ke lesithombe ngabe uyafana yini?
Anginampendulo, angina-comment.
Thank you.
No, I don't have a comment.
Thank you. Thank you for the
But
honest answer.
Yeah, sorry, are you going to re-examine?
I will re-examine my.
No, I'm not done yet, my lord.
You said it's the last question.
Oh, on this exhibit, my lord.
Oh, I
I said
see.
last question on this exhibit.
Oh, okay, fine.
Thank you. Thank you, my lord. Then I just need to clarify this for the record in case I understand it wrongly. You testified during the period of 2023, Mr. Ndlovu.
Bathi babundovuko walethi ufakazi bakho ke ngomnyaka ka 2023 ngabe iqiniso yini? Yes, that is true.
At the time when you testified in 2023, had you retrieved these pictures into the disk and into the USB that we have just presented to this court?
bathi ngesikhathi lesi bolethu ufakazi bakho ke ngomnyaka ka2023 umbuzo ukuthi ngabe le thombe lezi bosovela uyifakile ngaphakathi kwedisk futhi ne-USB yakho.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ubuyela ku question engichaze kwayizolo ukuthi i-disk ngase ngiyenzile kodwa i-USB iphuma ku backup yami ekhona e-officeini engiyilethela.
I think I did answer to that question yesterday. I already made out the disk. No, I already printed out the disk back then. However, the USB it is coming up from my backup system, which was in my office.
Ngaze ngachaza nokuthi if ungachecka i-disk i-date eyenziwa ngayo uchecke le USB esikhuluma ngayo ine date yakuthanga. That's the difference.
I also further explained that the date it is not the same in terms of the printout date on the disk and the printout date which was on the USB.
Okay, the disk now, if I understand it, is that your evidence was stored in a disk. Then the disk, when did you give it to the state? If you can remember, if you can't recall, it's okay.
But ufakazi ukuthi wena bonke ufakazi kade ukuthubulile ngakade uphethe obufaka ngaphakathi ku disk angithi